Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 54 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This is the Jesus Calling devotional by Sarah Young. You can find it at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, Audible, just about anywhere you can get a book. And it is a fantastic devotional. Absolutely fantastic. If you have missed any of the previous episodes, I do have a playlist in the description box. And if you need to be caught up on what's going on with me, if you're wondering where my DIYs went, then I'll have some videos in the description box to get you kind of caught up, back up to date with that. All right, let's jump in. Okay, number 54. Be on guard against Let me start over. Be on guard against the pit of self-pity. When you are weary or unwell, this demonic trap is the greatest danger you face. Don't even go near the edge of the pit. Its edges crumble easily, and before you know it, you are on the way down. It is ever so much harder to get out of the pit than to keep a safe distance from it. That is why I tell you to be on guard. There are several ways to protect yourself from self-pity. When you are occupied with praising and thanking me, it is impossible to feel sorry for yourself. Also, the closer you live to me, the more distance there is between you and the pit. Live in the light of my presence by fixing your eyes on me. Then you will be able to run with endurance the race that is set before you without stumbling or falling. Man, I feel like this one was absolutely for me. Be on guard against the pit of self-pity. When you are weary or unwell, this demonic trap is the greatest danger you face. It's not that I feel sorry for myself, because I know that things like what has happened to me happen to people every day. So I don't necessarily feel sorry for myself, but I do feel like under the cloud of self-pity could fall, why me? Why me? Why did this have to happen to me? That is where I'm stuck. And I'm not one of those that believes like, oh, what did I do to deserve this? Because if I got what I actually deserve, it'd be worse than what has happened. And I'm not sure that that's even possible. But you know what I'm saying? I don't believe like that. I don't believe that God punishes us like that. So I don't believe it has anything to do with something I deserve. You know what I mean? But at the same time, it's still like, gosh, why me, Lord? Why did this have to happen? Why? And that's wrong. I shouldn't be that way. I know that. Yeah. All right, let's do the verses. Blessed are those who have learned to acclaim you, who walk in the light of your presence, O Lord. Psalms 89:15. Therefore, since we have so great a cloud of witnesses surrounding us, let us also lay aside every encumbrance and the sin which is so easily entangled us, and let us run with endurance the race that is set before us, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith, who for the joy set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, and sat down at the right hand of the throne of God. Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith. So true. As much as I love God and love Jesus and love being a Christian and serving God, my faith has been tested. Not so much with the tornado, but absolutely with losing my son. And I can't say that I turned away from God, because obviously I haven't, but I've been frustrated with God, and I have been very angry with God, and I'm still somewhat angry. Why did God let this happen? Why? Why did he let it happen? I don't know. So I guess I do have some self-pity. I need to work on that. It says right there, when you are occupied with praising and thanking me, it is impossible to feel sorry for yourself. Well, I definitely have not been thanking him. Alright guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely does help my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Alright guys, thank you so much for being with me today. Truly thank you. Thank you. I wouldn't want to do these devotionals alone. I mean, I know people get up in the mornings and they read their devotional or they read their Bible or, and they start their day like that. But getting to do it with you guys and feeling that connection that I feel with y'all at this present moment in my life is so special. And I'm just very grateful. All right. Thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.